Hey everyone, how are you all doing today? So we're here again today to get you started as usual. So today I'll be going over to our student book. I'm going to play you a CD and please do listen and listen carefully. Uh, so from whence we're going to take it over to my workboard section. We're going to do a little bit of grammar. Yesterday, you remember we talked about how we use our verb be with our subject pronouns. So today we'll be talking more on that. We'll be taking it from where we left off to the next level. Uh, okay, come with me. Let's go take a listen.
Track 63. Let's learn more. A. Practice the words. Number 1.
A CD.
Number 2.
CDs.
Number 3.
A video game.
Number 4.
Video games.
Number 5.
A cell phone.
Number 6.
Cell phones.
Number 7.
A computer.
Number 8.
Computers.
Track 64. B. Practice the sentence.
It's a CD. They're CDs. It is. It's. They are. They're.
It's a CD. They're CDs. It's a video game.
They're video games.
It's a cell phone. They're cell phones. It's a computer.
They're computers.
Track 65.
It's a CD. There are CDs. It's a video game.
They're video games.
It's a cell phone. There are cell phones. It's a computer.
They're computers.
Track 66. C. Practice the question and answer.
What's this? It's a video game. What are these? They're computers.
Number 1.
What's this? It's a video game.
Number 2.
What's this? It's a CD.
Number 3.
What's this? It's a computer.
Number 4.
What's this? It's a cell phone.
Number 5.
What are these? They're computers.
Number 6.
What are these? They're CDs.
Number 7.
What are these? They're video games.
Number 8.
What are these? They're cell phones.
Track 67.
What's this?
It's a cell phone.
What are these?
They're video games.
It is. It's. They are. They're.
What's this?
It's a CD. What are these? They're computers.
What are these?
They're cell phones.
What's this?
It's a video game.
What are these?
They're CDs.
What are these?
They're video games.
What's this?
It's a computer.
What's this?
It's a cell phone.
Track 68.
What's this?
It's a CD.
What are these?
They're computers.
What are these?
They're cell phones.
What's this?
It's a video game.
What are these?
They're CDs.
What are these?
They're video games.
What's this?
It's a computer.
What's this?
It's a cell phone.
Track 69. Let's build. A. Practice the alphabet.
D. D. Dog. Diamond. E. Elephant. Egg. F. 5. Fish.
Track 70. B. Ask and answer.
What's this?
It's a ruler. What are these?
They're pencils.
Tracks
Pink. They're pink circles.
Track 72. D. Listen and sing. What's this?
What's this?
It's a blue CD.
What's this?
It's a red CD.
What are these?
They're green CDs.
How many CDs?
10.
Yeah. I think that is going to be all about it for the listening. But you've got to listen again one more time. I have to make you listen again and again. By so doing, you get used to some of these words. What is this? Is a blue CD. What is this? Is a red CD. What are these? They are green CDs. And you see what you're supposed to learn from this lesson is they're saying, what is this? When we're using this, it means one thing that is near to us or that is close to us. It is a blue CD because it is a thing. It is one, just one. That's why we're using what? A. It is a blue CD. Okay? And as you can see, it here is our subject. We have our is, which is our verb. Then a blue. Blue is our adjective telling us about CD. It's a noun. So you see we have a noun, we have a verb, then we have a noun again. So noun plus verb plus noun. Okay? So let's go up and see. See, they are pink. They are pink circles. See again there, our subject are, then pink. What color are these? Because we've got so many colors, that's why we're using what are. Okay? So here we are, practice the question and answer. What are these? I want to make sure that this and these, that you get to know more about them. When we use what is, see we're using is this, because is a singular verb. So this shows that something is just one. But here, what are these? These means that there are many. It's more than one. That's why we're using the plural verb, which is what are. They are computers. They are computers. See, they is our subject, which is the noun, plus are, which is our verb, plus computers, which is also a noun. So we have noun plus verb plus noun. Okay, the reason for bringing you here is just to make sure we're still on the same page. We are all on the same page. And also to make sure that you get used to some of the pronunciations. Like yesterday we did about marker, purple pencil case. And I also encourage you to make sure you learn how to spell some of these nouns like purple, pencil, marker, crayon. Don't tell me we've done this before. I told you on Friday we're going to have a spelling test that will be asking you to spell video, game, computer, cell phone. Okay, I think this is going to be enough for this one. So let me take you over to the workboard section where you've got to listen to, where we have to deal with the grammar aspect of this. Let's go take a look. First of all, I want to bring you over to here. I was telling you about noun plus is plus noun, when it is singular. So is a singular verb, okay? And when we're using a singular verb, then we have to use a singular noun, both ways. So here we've got Canada. Canada is a country, just like Cambodia, like Thailand, like Vietnam. Canada is a country. Cambodia is a country. You see, this is a noun because it's the name of a place, and the place is Canada. So we're using, because it's one country, we're using is, which is our singular verb, then a country, to tell you or to tell us that this is just one. Okay? See, Canada is a singular noun, is a singular verb, and country is also a singular noun. So B section says Mexico is a country. See, Mexico is a country. Because Mexico is a country, that's why we're using is, which to show that is what, a singular noun, and we're using a country to tell us that it's just a country, which is one country. So here again, we've got a cat is an animal. You see, you remember a country, an insect, an animal, we use when we want to show that something is what? Is just one. So A and N, they do the same thing to tell us that the noun we're talking about is just one. But we use N when we have a vowel starting the noun. Now we use what? N. As you can see here, we have animal. And you remember our vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Because C is not a vowel, that is why we're using what? A country. But here, A is a vowel, and it's starting the animal. That's why we have to say a cat is an animal. Okay? So with that said, maybe, in case you don't know what your vowels, you have 26 alphabets. 26 alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, blah, 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 till X, Y, Z. That is our alphabet. And out of the 26 alphabets, we have 5 of them are called what? Vowels. And what are they? Have A, E, I, O, U. Then the rest of the 26 alphabets that are not A, E, I, O, U, we call them consonants. Consonants. So B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z are called what? Consonants. So when a noun starts with a consonant, we use what? A. When a noun starts with a vowel, we use what? N. So here we have a horse is an animal. English is a language. Tokyo is a city. Australia is a country. So we're going to do more on this one to test your knowledge on this subject. Okay? Have red is a color. A dictionary is a book. A hotel is a building. A bear is an animal. A bee is an insect. An ant is an insect. See a bear, see the beehive. You see bees when there are many. See the bees. Have you seen a bee before? So this one is a tree. This one is ants. See many of them crawling to the tree. So we're going to try this one out when you join me, or after this, watching this, I'm going to let you try this one all by yourselves. Okay? One more thing, I'm bringing you over here so that you can look at our subject pronoun and see the difference between the subject pronoun and the object pronoun. You see here when we've got the subject pronoun, we say I am a teacher. You see this one? In the object, we use what? Me and not I. And this me, they usually come after the verb. You remember in a sentence, we have the noun plus verb plus noun. So the noun that comes after the verb is called our object of the sentence. But the first noun that begins the sentence is called the subject. So if we're not using the subject, we can change it to a pronoun. And all our pronouns, we have I, you. The first you is singular. When I said, I'm talking to you, you as in one person. I can also say, I'm talking to you, which is the plural, meaning all of you. So we have I, you, he, she, it, we, you again, the plural, then they. Then I in the object form is what? Me. You is you. He in the object form is him. She in the object form is her. It is it. We is us. We, you plural is also you plural, and they is what? Them. Okay, let's look at some examples. Let's say object pronoun. Object pronouns are used instead of nouns. So instead of using a noun, which are names of people, places, animals, or things, then we use pronouns when we're not using the nouns. Usually because we already knew what the object is. When you already knew what the subject is, what do? We already knew what the object is. We use what? We use the pronoun. It makes the sentence easier to read and understand, and also to avoid repetition. Okay? We normally use object pronouns after a verb. I told you this already. So after a verb, then we use the word object pronoun or a preposition. Example, I like horses. See, I is our subject pronoun. Like is our verb. Horses is what? Name of animals. And it's what? A noun. So noun plus verb plus noun. So this is a subject pronoun because you see that at the beginning. Say horses don't like me. You see, like is what? Is our verb. After the verb, we have the object. So that is why we have to use the object pronoun for I is what? Me. You cannot say horses don't like I. This is our object pronoun in action. We talk to our neighbors. Your neighbors are the people that live near your house. So we talk to our neighbor. This is the subject is we. Talk is our verb. Our neighbor is also a noun. So she talks to us. See, she talks to us. Us, talk is our verb. So after our verb, we have what? Us, which is the object. So we cannot say she talks to we. So she talks to us. Okay? This other one again, they said they listen to the teacher. They is the subject. So it comes at the beginning of the sentence, to the teacher. If I don't want to say the teacher, I'll say they listen to him. Because you see, after our verb here is listen. So teacher become what? Him. If I want to change this to object. Listen to me carefully. Listen to me carefully. See, me is our object pronoun here. Listen is our verb. After the verb, we've got the object. You speak very quickly. You is our subject. They watched them on TV. They is the subject. Watch is the verb. And then after the verb, we use the object pronoun. And the object pronoun for they is what? Them. I think this is going to be all about it for today. So this video does not go beyond the time that I've planned for it. So I'm going to stop here for today. And we're going to take it up from where we left off when you join me at the Zoom meeting. And I'll be sending forth exercise to test your knowledge on this very subject. Thank you for watching. It is always good to have you around. Be good to yourselves and be nice to your parents. Bye for now.